Good evening, everyone. I am absolutely thrilled to be back here in Karachi. As you all know, I served in Islamabad from 2011 to 2012, just like Mark. And it's absolutely amazing that we're both ending up here, and I am following in his illustrious footsteps as the next Consul General here in Karachi. I am truly delighted to be here with you. I think most of you either met with or read about the ambassador's trip here last week. We are here to pursue the joint goal of enhancing the U.S.-Pakistan bilateral partnership in trade, investment, clean energy, health, security, education, and other shared priorities. Our enduring people-to-people ties in Balochistan and Sindh also bolster the friendship between the United States and Pakistan. And ultimately, we hope that this relationship helps Pakistanis fulfill the vision of Quaid-e-Azam, a vision of a peaceful, democratic, tolerant, and prosperous Pakistan. And I look forward to being here to continue our important work by promoting even more opportunities to take our strong partnership to the next level. Bahut shukriya.